So just take a pick or a small screwdriver, pull that cover off. Sometimes they break. It's supposed to be like a little flap that opens, but they always break off. But you can always save that, put a little super glue on the back and just stick it to cover the screw. So now you just need a regular number 2 Phillips. Take that short little screw out. Save the screw. Now these go forward towards the front of the car to release. And then because it's broken off, normally this would be attached. There's a little clip there you can see. So just take your finger and push that little clip towards the outside of the door. And it's got a little L-shaped release lever. So that's what it looks like. So 2 pieces on here broke off. So there's this larger bottom piece that has a little flip attachment for the rod, and then another piece here that broke off and fell inside the door. So now we just want to order one just like it. So my part arrived. So here's what I ordered. It's actually a Honda part. 72660 S0K-A03 ZC, Zebra Charlie. And the ZC indicates that it's medium taupe, which is like a beige or dark beige. So here is the new part. Let's see what it comes with. So you can see how that is attached on there. And it looks just like the old one. So here's the broken one. And here's the new one. It comes with a new little flap cover for the screw. So let's put that back in. Okay. So let's put the new part in. So let's get this little hook on there first. Put that in the hole. And then flip the clip around. So we're just going to take our finger and flip that. So hopefully you can see that. I flipped that over. So it's on there. Push that into the door and slide towards the rear. So I'll give it a little, there. Now it's snapped in place. Now it's lined up for the screw. So it looks like this hinge would be on the front side. So to remove it, you would stick your pick in the back side. But the new one comes with a new cover, so it doesn't matter. Okay, let's try it out. It works great.